Welcome to Jewel Vision 3D channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can create a profile for your environment. So let's begin. So this is the existing file. Now I'm going to upload one file. On the right side of the corner you have the upload icon. Just click on and let's upload its environment diamond settings and I'm choosing the 3DM format. You can choose any format you want, like FBX, GLB, Rhino. So as you click on the upload, the file is processing. As you can see, the file has been rendered now. As you can see, there are multiple diamonds in this file. So now we are going to change the environment for this ring. So as on the left side of the panel you have the options for the environment. As you click on this environment, you will get a different profile. This is the profile which I have created. So now how you can create the profile using the settings options. You will get the dashboard like this, and as you can see there is a option to enter the values. How can you get these values? I will show you. So as you move to right side of the corner, you have the options such as the metal settings, diamond settings, zoom, gumball, lightning settings, shadow settings, and lightning positions. So now if you want to change the reflections of your diamonds, so you can change from the environment options such as environment to the X, Y, Z and R. That will change the reflection of the light, as you can see, and you can set the values. As you can see, I've set this value, and now as you click on the diamond, if you want to change the bounciness, you can change the bounciness of your diamond. So aberration is the reflection of light passing through diamond. So I'm setting to 0.07. No, it's like 0.76. I will. As you can see, if you want to change the IR, like mirror reflection, you can change that also. First thing, you have to select the diamond, and then you can change the IR. If you want to increase or decrease the brightness, you can change the brightness also. As you can see, the middle setting has been done. Now we will work on the metal settings. So as you can see, if you want to change the reflection, you can change the reflection of X, Y and Z. So if you want to change the metalness, you can change the metalness as well. As I will take to 0.9. If you want to increase the roughness of your metal, you can increase the roughness. As you can see, it is more rough, so I will take to 0.13, and let's change the reflection. As you can see, I've set to 0.4, and let's change to brightness 1.1. As you can see, I have changed the metal settings and diamond settings. If you want to zoom in, zoom out, you can change that also. So if you want a Gumball settings, Gumball is basically you are changing the angle of the ring, as you can see. To left, right, if you want to rotate towards right, left, and this way you can rotate. Let's reset. Let's take to 1.32. Yeah, I think so. Now I'm going to use the shadow options to make this more realistic effect. As you can go to this shadow settings, and you can make the shadow a little bit more far, more closer. As you can see, it is more closer now. If you want to increase the opacity, you can change the opacity you want. And this way you can play with the settings, and you can figure out your environment which you like. And as you can see, if you go on these settings options, the entire value will be visible that you have recently used for diamonds, metals, and all those things. Just click on the gear options and save the file. Save as. I'm saving as Will Pigeon 3D my profile, ENV. Click on save. As you can see, the art profile has been saved. So now what I'm going to do is going to refresh. Let's refresh first. Now I'm choosing this file. This is the pen, not pendant. I'll choose one ring. I'm choosing this ring. As you can see, my profile has been created. I will choose this profile. As you can see, the angles and everything has been changed. And this way you can create your own profile and settings with your metals, and you can apply to the any of the ring that you want. It is quite easy and simple. If you have query, you can write down